Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a current feelings reading for the sign of Gemini. This is going to be a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So only take what resonates, leave the rest. And if none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, Moon or Venus sign, for additional information. So we are going to look at your feelings for your person, and then we are going to look at your person's feelings for you. Stick around till the end of the video because we are going to take this person's future action and outcome of the connection towards the end. So let's see what's going on. Gemini, what's your overall energy at this time? Your overall energy is the King of Cups. This person's overall energy is the Ten of Pentacles. So you could be dealing with a Scorpio. Doesn't have to be that sign. Could be any sign. Could be a water sign. Could be this could be your energy because we are looking at your overall energy. So either you're thinking of somebody you're dealing with. This person is somebody who's very caring, sensitive, loving, but they may not be very expressive, or they may not share their feelings as much as you want them to. So this is this is your overall energy. This person's overall energy is Ten of Pentacles. So the Ten of Pentacles here talks about abundance. It talks about a lot of money pouring in. It talks about stability. It talks about family. It talks about legacy. So this person is thinking of a very long-term relationship with you. Either you already are in a relationship, long-term connection with this person, or maybe they want to take this forward. Now you have the Four of Pentacles here as your first card. Right now it looks like you and this person are not communicating that much. Especially from your side, I see you are withdrawn. Yes, there is communication, there is a connection here, but you're not opening up as like before. You're a bit reserved. This person is worried and wondering why you're not your normal self. They feel that there's something wrong. They are rushing towards you. They want to clear the air. So Chariot is Cancer energy. Even if you both have been separated for some time, I see this person coming towards you, rushing towards you. Now there is a renewal of sorts here. There is a new beginning. Now if you and this person are not in a relationship, this is a new beginning in love. They are coming, rushing towards you, wanting to open up, give you an offer here, and I see a new start. Okay, now if this is somebody you have been dealing with, then this is a renewal. This person is also kind of opening up and sharing their feelings, very being very transparent, releasing all the baggage from the past. I see the two of you sorting out whatever this misunderstanding is, and letting go of the past. Now you have the Page of Swords. So again, from your side, I see you being a bit like tiptoeing, being a bit guarded, not fully trusting this person, trying to find out more about them, their intentions. This could also be some kind of rumor or gossip about the two of you, or something that you've heard which is still on your mind, and you want to clarify it with this person. Now this person has a Justice. So again, like I said, they are thinking of a long-term future. Either they want to get married here, or they are trying to bring a balance in this relationship, being very fair. So I just want to clarify now, why is the King of Cups here? Three of Pentacles. Why is the Three of Pentacles here? Strength. So there is something about this relationship that it may have gone through its share of ups and downs, and you are tapping into your inner strength, trying to be very patient, trying to deal with this person, with this relationship, dealing with the challenges. So Leo energy with the strength. Why is the Ten of Pentacles here? Empress. This person could be married to somebody else. Maybe they have a family with somebody else, but that's coming to an end. Death is here. So yes, this person is going through some big changes in their family life, either something to do with their partner or something to do with their mother. Okay, but there is some change, some big something big happening for them in their energy. So Scorpio energy with death. Why is the Four of Pentacles with you? King of Pentacles, Taurus energy. You could be dealing with a Taurus. And the Queen of Pentacles. So there is a divine pair that I see here. You see this person as your divine partner, divine match, but you're holding back from this connection at this moment. You're waiting for something here. You're waiting for some decision, some answers. You're waiting for this person to sort out their issues. This person is rushing towards you. Nine of Pentacles. They are very attracted to you. Uh, but there's some kind of, again, if they have someone else in their family, or maybe if they are married to someone and they're getting a divorce, that person could be interfering in this relationship. There's some gossip going on. There's something that is very unhealthy, like an unhealthy competition trying to pull each other down. Maybe that's what they're dealing with, and that's why you both were not able to come together for some time. Now, why is the Ace of Cups here? So I finally see that offer coming in, but there is conflict. There is a third party situation. Why is the Ten of Wands on this person's side? They are coming towards you, rushing towards you. Knight of Wands, very passionate energy. So somebody here with a lot of passion for you. Why is the Page of Swords here? You've got a lot of happiness, abundance coming towards you, but there's also a need for you to be clear. So you are asking questions, you're asking some very open, direct questions, but there's love here. Okay, so it's not something like a confrontation, but it's more like you need to know. Okay, and this person has justice. So Two of Pentacles, they are definitely somebody who is with someone else, because they are juggling you with somebody else, and they're trying to make a decision if they should let go of that connection for you, or they should look at a future with you. So there's a lot of decisions, choices that this person has to make. So what is a future action going to be? Seven of Wands is a future action. There are some conflicts yet. I mean, even in the future, I see some conflicts. I do see some healing as well. This person is going to take some time to sort their shit out. Okay. What is the outcome? Outcome is Temperance. So there's balance coming in. There's healing here. Temperance, Sagittarius energy, and the Five of Cups is here. So for some of you, you may decide to let go of this person or the situation, because there's an energy of not being together, of looking back at the past, having regrets, feeling like this is a missed opportunity, regretting not taking action before. So whatever this is, there's a lot of looking back at the past. But the good thing is also there is Temperance here. So you're healing that pain. Even if there are regrets here, you're kind of healing, you're kind of overcoming that. So, you are going towards a much healthier mind space. I want to just clarify this Five of Cups and the Temperance. Yeah, Hanged Man. There's a lot that you are, you're kind of taking a pause to figure out if you really want to do this, if you really want to be with this person, if you think you should let go of this person, because there's a lot of baggage in this connection. So like I said, some of you may just let go, okay, not continue this connection, not continue with this relationship. But some of you may just let go of the pain with this connection, the separation, the pain, issues, the challenges. You're just letting those things go and moving forward with this person, giving them time. But it will vary from person to person. It may not be the same story for all. Okay, so let's just take some messages here. Worth waiting for, divine timing is at work in your love life. So the universe here is saying, even if there is a pause, it's worth waiting for. That's quite direct, right? I mean, that's exactly what I've been telling here. Like some of you may let go, but here the universe is saying it's worth waiting for. Forgiving and learning, as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Again, this is the outcome that we saw. You're healing, you're letting go of things that have been hurtful, deception. Someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. So, like I said, some of you may just let go because you feel like this is not fair to you. Okay, so take how it resonates, guys. It may this is a general reading, so it's difficult to say what you're going to choose. For that, you may have to take a personal reading and clarify those things here. But this is what I have for you. I hope this helps and resonates. If it does, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe to my channel. If you wish to book a private reading, I'm available. Limited sessions only, so do book and book soon. You can reach out to me on my email ID on my website. If you're on my website, you can directly book on my website. If you need to ask any questions, you can chat with me on my website as well. And like, share, and subscribe, guys. I'll be truly grateful for it. I will see you soon. Take care.